Now I've got this door back together again. The other problem with it is the hinges. Now it came with these on it, just really cheap pressed butt hinges that were screwed on like that and then screwed into the case the other way. The correct hinge is that, which is a strap hinge, and you can see it was only a small hinge originally. This is just about the right size, fraction wider, but that's pretty close. So what I need to do is fill this gap here where the moulding's been cut back. So I'll piece that in and then fit these hinges. My other problem is where I filled this gap. It's okay down here because it's quite small, but that big chunk at the bottom I'm not happy with. It's just got filler in at the moment, so I'm going to cut that out and let in another piece of oak. I've also glued a little lump on this corner which you'd split off. The next thing to do is chop out this bit where the filler is and let in a bit of oak. This is a reasonably good match. It is old, so it should look okay. going to pack the back of this hinge out to bring it further in like that, because they put this hole in. I don't know why they do this, because they always get them in the wrong place, because when it's shut the frame will sit there and you'll see the hole, so I've got to push that back a little bit so it's not as noticeable, and pack the back of the hinge out. The reason I put this piece in one lump rather than two little bits, it's very fiddly trying to do it in a small piece, and if you do it as a wedge shape you can force it in, you get a good tight join either side, and then you just start again and chop your hinge out like I just did. It's a lot easier. So the packings are in for the hinges, so they're done. Just need a few more screws in there. A little bit at the bottom, top corner piece, and obviously the crack down the middle. So that is now ready for polishing.